with Go Pla.
What the fuck is going on here?
Me crew with Go Pla.
Are you high as fuck, Mr. Krabs?
Me crew with Go Pla.
What's wrong with Mr. Krabs? What's wrong with this one? It's this song. It's just like...
I think he consumed too much Kedman detergent.
Looks like someone can't handle their drugs.
This is just sad, even for you, Mr. Krabs.
Me crew with Go Pla.
He's like a broken record player.
Yeah, but a really high one.
Can we please get him some help before he destroys the whole kitchen?
This is why I hate working in downtown Bikini Bottom.
Me crew with Go Play.